Anvika Warriors of Kaure. Yeah, nicely bowled. Once again, fuller length. Intention is to bowl full. He understands what job the bowlers have to do. ऑफ सायडीन जो भुरगो आसा ताका मातसो रिक्वेस्ट करता भायर रावचो. भायर राव, भायर राव. Nicely driven down the ground. Finally, Sahil gets himself off the mark, as well as Ganpati Warriors Darbandora. A very popular team, a very famous team as well, winning many of the tournaments as well as reaching into the semis. A strong outfit, Ganpati Warriors Darbandora, Uzgaon as well. This is in the air, in the air. There's a man down there, and it is gone all the way. It was close to his hitting range. He went after it and got the first six of day number 2. Vijay Gaonekar, a very strong, tall built personality, and he backs himself. And you have to go after the bowling in the power play over. Looking for another one. This might be a second one. This is over that tower as well. Over the 33 kV tower. And that is gone for a 6. Marvelous batting. And mistake and the errors from the bowlers will be paid a hefty prize on a wicket like this one. Yes, yesterday the bowlers were slightly up, but today the game has been started in a blistering fashion by Vijay. This is hat-trick. This is hat-trick of sixes. This is the best one, I feel. Just clipped away on the leg side with tremendous power and force. Sizzling batting performance here from Vijay. Vijay Gaonekar it is. End of over number 1. It is 19 without loss. Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora. तशेंच ज्या तरेन ऑर्गनायझेशनान खूब मेहनत केल्ली आसा. तुमकां एक विनंती करता, जितले जाण हांगा उदक पितात, खातात, जे प्लास्टीक आसा नाजाल्यार पिशवी आसा, सगळ्यांक हांगा जो गार्बेज जी आसा ती पिशवी अरेंजमेंट केल्लो आसा. तुमी ते गार्बेजीन घालचें. हांगा थंय जो कचरो आसा तो उडोवचो न्ही. Another one. There is a man down there. And it is a 6. Well, he's got the power from his partner when the over got finished. Vijay Gaonekar hit 3 sixes of 3 consecutive balls, and they are unstoppable at the moment. It's the 4th 6 in 4 consecutive deliveries. This time it's Sahil Gaonkar. This time straight hit. The man down there and fielded up very well, throwing it back to the bowler. They got to be aware as far as the experience and skill levels. So certainly Ganpati Warriors Darbandora looking like a stronger outfit. Take nothing away. We have seen. This is another one. Flat one. Vijay is going after the bowling and is getting the big ones easily. This one was a flattest of all the sixes. The score races on to 32. Just the first game, the bowlers were on the top of the game. Bowlers were leading. Bowlers were dominating the batters in yesterday's encounter. But today, looks like it's a different ball game altogether. Trying to bowl a slower ball. Earned in line, costing an extra run. There's a wide called here. One more added to the extra. 33. And that's switch it. That's a no ball as well. This is proving to be very, very costly here for the bowlers of Anvika Warriors from Kaure. First only they are getting the sixes so easily, both the batters, and now bowling the freebies like this one. This is going to make them sweat out in the morning session. This is in the air, but it was a free hit. Anyhow, he doesn't go out. It was a license to go for the big one, and understanding that even the catch is taken, I will be safe. What a rollicking start, especially from the bat of Vijay Gavnekar. They have asked him to open the innings, and he has blazed in a big fashion. Another full toss, and this might be another one. It is blistering batting here from Vijay Gavnekar. The ball is just going out of the park, almost every ball, and the score has been multiplied with sixes here. 46 already. Not even the second over has finished. Not the best of the bowling. Not the best of the bowling we have seen. Nicely driven down the ground. There's a fielder down there. Stops the ball, sends it back, looking for a couple of runs, but the keeper providing the backup. Single to finish over number 2. Expensive overs here for Anvika Warriors of Kaure. Over number 2 completes 47 without loss. Another one. This time there's a fielder down there. And that's gone all the way. That has also gone all the way. First we thought that it didn't go at that much of elevation, but somehow he's just stepping up with that front foot and just hitting and powering away for sixes. 50 up here with that 6 for Ganpati Warriors Dharbandura. 53 without loss. An opening stand of 53 runs. How crucial this is. How important this is. Because you need to start a big tournament like Amdar Chashak in a big way, and that is what Ganpati Warriors Dharbandura opening batters have given. And a no ball, is it? Yes. Pitched outside the pitch marking length. Little awry performance in the bowling department. Too many no balls, too many wides, too many full toss. This is in the air. This should be the chance. No, but this was a free hit. Was a free hit. If even the catch is taken, both the batters stay. Only way you can be out was a run out. Sahil was sent back by Vijay, understanding there was no need. Both the batters have the ability to clear the field, as we have seen in the course of these 3 overs itself. Sahil is such a strong player. You can see Sahil also looking at the moment subdued in place of the hitting abilities of Vijay. The way he has flown easily. Going for the switch, it should get a boundary. Once you get bat and once it clears the infield towards the third man point region, it is certain to go for a boundary. Showing his skills, showing his talent as he usually does, Sahil. .59 and add 6 to it. Add 6 to it. That makes it 65. They are trying to bowl Yorkers. They're turning out to be full toss, and Sahil has whacked that over the cow corner region, wide long on region for 6 runs. This is bleeding at the moment for the bowling side. We have seen the highest total by Boom Boom Keri of 99 runs They are on course. They are at the moment on course towards breaking that record. Straight down the ground. Looks very elegant when he's straight because he's one of the stylish players around. Another one added, moves the score to 66. This is not looking good here for Anvika Warriors of Kaure. Another one, and that is a long six. Ball in the slot. The ball is going to go in the neighbor's plot. And that is going to mark over number 3 as well. 72 without loss, Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora. Congratulations to Vijay for your brilliant 50 runs in day number 2 inaugural match for Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora. Please give a big round of applause for this stunning innings from Vijay. Day number 2, and here he shines brightly against Anvika Warriors. What a performance. Well, he's keeping Sahil quiet. You can imagine Sahil himself is a monster. Himself is an explosive batter. And Sahil is way behind at the moment compared to Vijay. But Sahil will be happy with that. He's always a team man. He knows that the team is doing very good. And here is his opportunity. Too short. One for the over, definitely. It was definitely a no ball, not a no ball. And umpire saying, well, within the range of your head and shoulders. So that is one for the over that is signaled by leg umpire, Punya Palkar. Not the best of the ball though. Just surprised him that it was just the first ball. This time a leading edge going down towards that third man region. The fielder going after the ball. And it runs down for 4 runs. This was not the best shot that Sahil and Vijay have played together in this innings. But somehow the ball sneaked in and finding the placement as well and getting the boundary. So everything going in favor of Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora today in the first game. They're trying hard, the bowlers. Certainly the luck is not going towards them. That was a good ball. Play and a miss. Good length, slight pace, and slightly deceptive action, you can say, with his bowling. Clean action, as we can call, but not many people nowadays are seen with this sort of action. Full toss ball. Once again, there's a fielder down there, and she'll be taken. No, that has also been missed, and that is also going to run down. The fielder's effort was a little... It should have been better over there. This is not a bad outfield. And nothing happening for the bowlers at the moment. They are not even picking a single wicket. Both the openers are still intact and going strong, going after the bowling. Almost every ball. 80 has been passed here. 80 without loss. 99 the highest total is under the threat. Sahil, flat one. That is also gone. That is also like a surface-to-surface missile from the bat, over the fence, over the border for 6 runs. Moves the score to 86. This is carnage here of the bowlers. It's 86. Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora. Certainly a frenzy at the moment. The way they are blasting in this first game. Both the openers, Vijay and Sahil. There is no stopping. There is no stopping to Sahil as well. He has got the power from his partner, and this has been muscled away towards that backward square leg region for 6 runs. Very good movement in the crease, going deep and then just putting the ball away towards that backward square leg region. Moves the score to 92. 92 in 4 overs with an over left. I think the ball boys have done more work than the fielders. The ball has traveled a further distance, and so they have ran fast to get the ball back in play. The ball has spent more time in the air. Prasad has also been welcomed with a 6. 98. Vijay Gavnekar is unstoppable at the moment. Incredible innings, I must say, right from the word go till the fifth over. It started with hat-trick of sixes in the first over, and from that moment, the timing and the power was all about Vijay Gavnekar. Dataraj Gauss Babu will be happy with this performance. Why not? This time picked away on the leg side, finding the placement. Very nice batting here. Understanding there was no man towards that final leg region. And boundary gets stamped towards the 100. So 100 up here for Ganpati Warriors, Darbandoda. The first team in Namdar Chashak, organized by Siddhi Vinayak Cricketers Tisusgaon, to breach a 100-run mark. Finally, a good ball right in the block hole. Sahil looking to get a couple of runs. No chance there. And I think the message will be both the batters should come out without getting out. Yes, try to hit for a big one, but keep on the partnership. Keep all 10 wickets in hand and come out. This time picked away on the leg side. Not much of timing. Sahil is also not running quickly towards the second run. That has been stopped here. And now going for the second and finally completes it easily. First, maybe he thought the ball might run down towards 4 runs, but that pass is slightly soft. (105). Now Sahil at the moment is matching, trying to match Vijay. This time clipped away on the leg side, and that has also been dropped. That's the story of the day so far. Nothing has gone in their favor, not even a single wicket. They're still searching for the first one. That has come, that has also gone down. And now Vijay will be facing the next one. Last ball of this entire innings. And play and a miss, yes, missed by the keeper as well. So it's just going to be a bye. Just going to be a bye. What a stunning performance from both the batters. They started with a couple of dot balls from the bat of Sahil, but after Vijay Gavnekar started, Sahil also got his timing back, and that is how they powered away towards a huge and a mammoth total of 107 runs, 108 runs to win here for Hanwika Warriors of Khawre to win the game. Requesting Sham Kalangudkar to kindly take the mic in his hands for further commentary.
Thank you, Harish Bhai. What a blistering performance. An absolute havoc being created for the bowlers by Vijay. Superb bit of batting, and Sahil also supported him really well. 108 runs required to win for the Hanvika Warriors from Khavre. Well, that looks to be a very difficult total to chase down, and that too in 5 overs. But time will tell how this game goes about. Rhythm will be starting off the proceedings as far as the bowling is concerned. With the bat, the opening partners Krishna along with Govind in the middle. Rapos boys, Mandram and Datta classes Asnora. Please report as early as possible. Full toss delivery and played away nicely. Gets off the mark with the boundary. Onto leg stump and helped along for 4. Straight to the field though. Straight to Vicky Sulebhavekar. An excellent bit of a fielder, Vicky. Well, will be exceedingly happy. The Rajgaons with the proceedings that had earlier in the innings. This time down the ground. And that will trickle into the boundary for 4. Need plenty of those. Just can't afford to lose time as 108 looks to be a stiff target. Already have started with 2 boundaries. Krishna. Slight change in field. Looks like man at mid-wicket has been just pushed a little towards the long on region now. And man at square leg has been just moved towards mid-wicket. Good delivery. That one, just trying to cut that one. Missed it completely though. Dot delivery. Full toss down the ground. And that will clear everyone. First maximum in this innings. Coming from the bat of Krishna. Up and over. And inside out he goes down the ground for 6. Through the gap. Threaded the needle. And threaded it with perfection. Excellent bit of batting. After completion of 1, it's 18. 18 without loss after 1. Khavre. Change in bowling, it will be Ramesh. Full toss delivery, missed by the keeper, but the fielder had shot third, very much agile, very much aware. Good delivery to start with, dot delivery. Nevertheless, as far as the this time again trying to go over the top, wide signaled by the umpire. What batting on display we had earlier. Superb bit of batting, and it just blasted off. Reverse sweep, missed. In fact, that's wide. Another as extras. Missed by the keeper, missed by the field at third. And that will be 5 wides. 5 more runs added to the total. Welcome, Mr. Paklo. Welcome. Score moves on to 25 with that boundary. Dealing in boundaries at the moment. Just that can't afford to give any dot deliveries. So far has been excellent. This time very well bowled, right in the block hole. Full toss and see you later. Another 6 coming from the bat of Krishna. Down on one knee and over square leg for 6. Score moves on to 32 with that maximum. Requiring 18 runs, 18-20 runs every over. Need this kind of batting, need this kind of supremacy. Requesting Sri Satyavan Naik to please take his seat on the dais. Swing, missed. Dot delivery. Nicely played, hitting the toe end of the bat though. Will just be 1. In fact, that's gone for 4. Thought it looked like it was just 1 there, but it went in the gap. And it's another boundary. Score moves to 36. 18 of the last, now 18. Still a delivery to go in this particular over. Turning out to be a very expensive over this. It'll just be a single to end the over. After completion of 2, it's 37. 37 without loss after 2 overs in pursuit of 108 in 5. That's gone, is it? Oh, just being pulled in. Coming back for the second. And will get it comfortably. Excellent bit of batting this. Need to continue these two. So lefty to Sangam. Lefty राव आणि लिस्ट आहे तुझ्याकडे मी सांगतो हा संगम नो this time down to the field at short third. Won't be given out, and it just hit his shoulder on the way through. He'll be definitely looking to get as many as possible in this early overs. Just 2 more overs remaining after this. Full toss and full loss out of the park, just over the commentary box. Just a short arm jab from Krishna, and he is turning it on here for the Kavre. Score moves on to 45 with that maximum. Again, he goes big. And he goes long yet again with that 50 up 51 for the Hanvika Warriors. Khavre, they move on to 51. Excellent bit of batting this. Krishna is cutting loose. Just a single that has been scored by his partner. And that is not the ball. Official, that is not the ball. Just getting the ball back. Just wait for a minute. Manu sang. Huh? Again, flat batted. And it's out of here. Again, a maximum. Score moves on to 57 with that 6. He is cutting loose. Definitely taking the bowlers to all parts. No matter right arm, left arm. It's not making any difference to him. Krishna with this blistering innings. Blazing at the moment. Down the ground again, and that will clear everyone. And with that, half century for Krishna. He moves on to 55. Will be raising his bat towards his teammates. Excellent batting. He moves on to 55, and the team total propelling towards 63. 3 overs and 63 runs have been scored. Unbeaten partnership between these two. 55 to Krishna. Again requesting the Rapos boys Mandrem and Datta Classes as Nora. Please submit your lineup and please send your captains for toss. Twelve deliveries requiring 45 runs to win. Are we witnessing a miracle? Swing, missed, dot delivery. Sushant has been given the ball. 11 deliveries left, 45 runs required to win. This time it's a wide. Extras. 44 in 11. Boundary every delivery. That will make it to 44 in 11 deliveries. This time he connects down the ground, and that will bisect the two men. And it's gone flat as a tank for a maximum. Score moves to 70. Score moves to 70. Requiring another 38 in 10. 6 maximums required to win. Rapos Boys Mandrim, a request for you and also Datta Classes Asnora. Please come for toss. 38 in 10. Has he put it away? He has! Another 6. Reigning 6s here in Usgaon. First with the first innings and now in the second innings as well. 32 required now in 9 deliveries. 9 deliveries, 32 runs. Game of 5 6s. Easier said than done. Someone should hit them. And these two men have certainly provided those glittering touches. Govind now getting in the act. Krishna has already moved on to 55. Krishna has just joined him with those big 6s. Opening stand of 76 between these two. 108 the target. An ambulance number 108 defines a very significant number. I'll explain it to you later on. Just to block that shot, a man has been posted. Up in the air, pressure created and gone. Ploy has worked for the Ganpati Warriors, Darbandora. 76 for 1. Still requiring another 32 in 8 deliveries. New man in Pritesh needs to get better on ball. 8 deliveries, 32 runs required to win. Are we something special here? Already are on course. But you never know. 1 or 2 good deliveries might just pull things back for Ganpati Warriors Darbandora. Krishna has been superb. He's at the other end. Definitely will be trying to face the entire over. This last, he connects it for 6. A teaser, attempt for that field at square leg, but he just watched it sail over. Another 6. Requiring another 26. 26 in 7. What we've witnessed is something extraordinary. 107 without loss in 5 overs by Ganpati Warriors Darbandora, and now Hanvika Warriors Kavre Pirla wants to connect that one. That's up in the air though. Fielder will take it easily. So 26 runs will be required of the last over. 26 runs required in the last over. Krishna will be on strike, and let's see who will be bowling that final over. Again a call for Datta Classes Asnora and Rapos Boys Mandrim. Please come for toss. So Mayur Sawant, the experienced campaigner, has been given the ball in this last over. The Rajgaons trust him. And he has given the ball to him. 26 runs in the last 6. Does Krishna have the power? He has been watching the entire over from the other end in that last over. So does he have lost some bit of form by just staying at the other end? Or has he just shelled himself to power the 26 runs in this last 6? Yes, Mayur. Starts off flat and it's been taken. What a catch that is. Ramesh takes that catch and a superb innings coming to an end. Well, efforts don't matter much when what's it written. It has to happen. As we saw a few days back when David Miller tried his best but just couldn't quite get South Africa over the line. Just like this, it is Krishna trying to get his team home but couldn't quite. Will be getting a standing ovation. Tried superbly. Excellent innings. Will be rated as one of the top, one of the best that we've seen in a long, long time. Still requiring 26 in the last 5. Down the ground he goes and will just be stopped. Inside the rope will just be 1. 4 deliveries, 25 runs. Have we seen any time those 4 sixes being hit and the game has been tied? Let's see if we can have it now. Missed opportunity. Dot delivery. Rapos boys Mandrim, please report as early as possible. Rapos boys Mandrim, please report as early as possible. He connects this time, but will be into the hands of that fielder. Another one gone. Well, talking about that 108. 108 proves to be a significant number in the Indian mythology. 108 is also the number of ambulance, but also 108 snails were protecting Lord Buddha when he was meditating. Lord Buddha was meditating in the hot sun, and those 108 snails were just protecting him from getting burned, his head getting burned. 108 names for Lord Krishna, and how wonderful innings we saw from Krishna from the Hanvika 11 Kavre to almost sniff a victory, to get a victory for his team, but wasn't to be. Another one gone, another wicket falls. Call for Rapos boys Mandrim. Please report as early as possible. Last delivery, and he just puts bat to ball down the ground, and that will just be a single, which won't matter one bit for the Ganpati Warriors Dharbandhoda, as they posted a mountain which had to be climbed but wasn't scaled. Krishna tried his best along with Govind but fell short. Really